ahead.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So I'm doing this quick video on my phone real quick. I would have put this on my YouTube shorts, but I can't link stuff anymore on there. They stopped allowing us to link stuff on shorts on August 31st. So I'm just popping in to do this video for you guys. So I reviewed Outre Ariella. Let me turn this fan down. I reviewed Outre Ariella last summer, and I told you guys in that video that I thought the wig was okay. It was not giving what I needed her to give for me. So I said that I would probably come back and like cut her and just revisit her. So it is well over a year later, because I reviewed her last summer. I think I reviewed her last June. And so with a lot of my wigs, I have been doing behind the hairline installs. So I've done, you know, my edges out before with my wigs, because like back in the day with like some of my wigs, I'll leave a little bit of my edges out because I do know that I do realize that it looks more natural. But I came across this wig maker. Her name is Erin H, and she makes custom wigs that are beautiful. I actually purchased one recently. It's the most expensive wig I've ever purchased, and I'll probably show you guys that whenever it comes in. But she does a lot of behind the hairline installs with her wigs, and so I have adopted that method of applying my wigs recently, and I love it. It looks so natural. And you can do this with a lot of the old school wigs that we used to wear, like the Nishas. But you can also wear it with lace wigs as well, because this is a lace wig. This is I think this is a 13x6 wig. And well, you can do this with half wigs, of course, but what I have noticed, and I saw somebody commented this on my TikTok, they were like, they like to use leave out with lace wigs, because lace wigs lay flatter. They lie flatter than half wigs sometimes, and it's true. I still love my half wigs, but I do realize that they lace wigs lay flatter on the head. So this looks amazing. I'll probably insert like the process over here so you guys can see how I installed this. So I'm wearing this behind my hairline, and I'm telling you, last year when I reviewed this wig, I was not feeling it. I didn't know what the girls were talking about. I was just like, it looks wiggy to me. But behind the hairline, and this has some age on it now, this is like the curly wig of my dreams. You see how I look right now? I look good with this. This looks so natural. It's giving me exactly what I want with a curly wig. It's giving me the vibes that I used to love with Pop Blossom. It just looks so good. And somebody commented that this looks like when I had those crochets back in 2021. It does look like that. I got crochets, like loose crochets in my head in 2021, and it was the free tress deep twist hair, and it looked just like this, because once my hair started to grow out, I had pretty much, I turned the front of it into like leave out because it was growing out so much. So it looked like this, and I'll probably insert a picture of what that looked like. But Ariella is gorgeous now. Now she does, you know, she has, you know, some tangles and mats in there. And when it comes to my curly synthetic wigs, as far as maintaining them, I just cut out the tangles, and that's pretty much it. Now, I feel like I'm gonna be wearing this a lot. So I do have my Brandy Wine shampoo and conditioner that is specifically formulated for synthetic wigs that I picked up because of Miss Chrissy. I do have that, and I think I'm gonna wash it soon because this is so like old, but I love the lived-in look of it. And I do have a TikTok and Instagram reel where I'm talking about that. I don't like my wigs to look shiny, especially curly synthetic wigs. Those of you that have been following me for a long time, you guys know I have a thing about my synthetic wigs, my curly synthetic wigs. I don't like a lot of them, and I think it's because a lot of them, their curls are like shiny curls. And this, to me, you guys see this has a very low luster. And if you want to see what it looks like fresh out the pack, revisit the original video. I'll put it on the info card for you guys. But I only wore this wig literally twice and it looks like this. So I mean, there's something to be said about that. I literally had this in a bag ready to go in the trash, but then I was like, let me try it behind the hairline and see how I feel about it. So that's what I did. I washed my hair this morning and I blow dried it, and then I braided down the back, and then I made sure to leave out in the front. And I actually had to take this off again and put some of my hair back because I left out too much hair. You don't have to have a whole bunch of hair. You can have like this much hair, like an inch of hair, and still make this work. So if you do have really short hair, you can still make this work. And of course, if you're somebody who suffers from hair loss completely, you can just wear this as, you know, a full lace frontal wig, as I showed you guys in the original video. You'll just have to tweak the front and customize it like I always show you guys. But I did want to give you guys another option, because I have really been enjoying leave out wigs, and I have so many. That's really all I've been doing lately ever since I took out my sew-in. And y'all, I showed y'all my sew-in that I got back in August, and I only kept it in for about three or 4 weeks because, first of all, it was extremely hot this summer, but it was just so inconvenient. I am not a sew-in girl. Even though I enjoyed my sew-in last year when I got it, it was just like, if I can get a similar look and wear a U-part wig or just wear a wig behind my hairline, I'm gonna do that instead. I just feel like it's more convenient for me. But I'm glad I got the experience of trying to sew in. I just would never wear a sew-in again during the summertime unless it's curly. I didn't last very long with that one. Yeah, I am definitely a wig girl. So I was so happy to get that sew-in out so I could revisit my wigs. And this is such a pleasant surprise because I was not feeling Ariella at all last year. I was like, not feeling her, but now I'm in love. This hairline looks so good because it's mine, and then these curls are everything. So this is gonna be in my fall winter wig rotation, but this would give during the summertime too. It's just, this is a very dense wig. So I would probably just keep her to the cooler months, even though this does look like vacation hair too, but I feel like I would just wear her in the cooler months. So yeah, I wanted to just, you know, quickly do this kind of let's revisit video, a long form version of it, because YouTube is tripping with the links and everything. I would have done a short version for you guys, but I'm gonna do a long version, and I'm probably gonna do a compilation video for you guys in long format of all the other wigs that I have recently done behind my hairline as well, because I've done Nisha. I showed you guys that on my YouTube shorts. Nisha, Hania, this one, and I do have some of the Nisha 2.0 whatevers in my collection too that I want to do that with. Some of them I might turn into U-part wigs, because I showed you guys me doing Sensational's Angel Face as a U-part wig earlier this year. I got the idea from a TikToker. She did that with the original Nisha, and I was like, oh my gosh, let me try that. That's a cool way to do a U-part wig on like a budget. It's perfect because those are more like yaki textured wigs. So, but if you don't want to do like a full-on U-part wig, just leaving out your hairline like this is just perfect. And I'm in love, genuinely. And this is so beginner friendly to do this as well. But of course, there's going to be limitations, as I told you guys, because some people, you know, suffer from hair loss and they can't do this. But just wanted to share this as another option for you guys and do a quick little update. So I hope you guys enjoyed this impromptu review update. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.